So I'm going to do two types of commission questions. One a basic one, and then one that's a bit more complex. And you just need to remember that commission is basically finding the percentage of something. So this question says Olivia sold a car valued at $54,000. Calculate Olivia's commission from the sale if her rate of commission was 3%. So all we are going to do is to find 3% of $54,000. Now, on your calculator, we know how to do that. You're going to type in 54,000 times by 3, and then you're going to use the percent button. Very easy. So where's my calculator? Here it is. So 54,000 times 3% equals $1,620. So that's how much she earns from selling the car. That's a 3% commission. Now this question is a little bit more complex. It says the commission that a real estate agent charges for selling a property is based on the selling price, and the prices are shown in the table. Okay, so for the first $20,000 sold, someone can earn 5%. For the next $120,000 sold, the person will earn 3%, and anything after that, anything higher than that, it'll be 1%. So what does that mean? Well, it basically means we need to split these amounts up so that we find the first 20% of $100,000, which is the first value of a house. We need to find 5% of that, and then anything left over from that, if it's under $120,000, it's going to be 3%. So we're going to set it up like this. So this is A. So first 20%. First 20,000, we're going to find 5% of. Okay, now if we take 20,000 away from 100,000, we're going to get 80,000. Now we look at our table and say, well, the next 100 up to the next 120,000, well, we only have 80,000. They get charged 3%. So we are going to times that by 3%. So that's the calculation you're going to do on your calculator to get the total amount of commission. 5% on the first $20,000, 3% on the next $80,000. So if we grab our calculator, we can do this all in one go. We have $20,000 times by 5% plus $80,000 times by 3%. Percent equals $3,400. $3,400. Now, take a look at B. The value of the selling price is $150,000. Okay, so again, we started off. The first $20,000 gets paid at 5% commission. So we have $20,000 times by 5%. Okay, the next $120,000. Now, if we do $20,000, taking away that from 150,000, that gives us 130,000. Well, out of the next 130,000, 120,000 is paid at 3%. So we're going to do 120,000 times by 3%. Now, if you add up this and this, you will see that we've got up to 20,000 plus 120,000 is 140,000. We're still short on our total amount, and the amount left over is 10,000. So on the last 10,000, the commission is going to be 1%. I'm not going to do that on the calculator because you know how to do that now, but that's the total amount you have to work out to get your answer. Finally, let's look at C. It's 200,000. So, again, the first 20,000, they get 5%. The next 120,000 is at 3%. And if we add up 20,000 and 120,000, that takes us up to 140,000. The difference between 140,000 and 200,000 is 60,000. And we times that by 1%.